If you've ever exported a video from CapCut and noticed the colors looked a little off, washed out, or just not quite right, this quick tutorial is going to help. Today I'm going to show you how to set Rec. 709 in CapCut the correct way, so your video colors stay consistent from editing to export. This is especially important if you want your final upload to look clean, professional, and accurate on YouTube and other platforms. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to your timeline and make sure nothing is selected. This step matters because if a clip is selected, you may not see the right project settings, so click anywhere empty on the timeline to deselect all clips. Once everything is deselected, look over to the right side of the screen and open the Details panel. This is where CapCut keeps some of the important project and color settings. Now inside the Details panel, look for the color space option. Next to it, you should see a Modify button. Click Modify, and a menu or selection window should appear. From there, choose Rec. 709 SDR. This tells CapCut to use the standard Rec. 709 color space, which is the most common choice for online video and helps keep your colors looking natural and consistent. After you've selected Rec. 709 SDR, take a moment to confirm the setting actually saved. This part is important because if the project color space is left on the wrong setting, your footage may not match what you expected. Once that is set, the next step is just as important. Before you export, open your export settings. Don't rush past this, because export settings can sometimes override or affect how your video looks after rendering. Inside export settings, look for the output color space option and verify that it is also set to Rec. 709 SDR. This is the key step that helps prevent color shifts between your edit and your final export. If the export color space does not match the project setting, your video can come out too bright, too dark, or with different saturation than what you saw in the editor. So always double check that both settings match. Once everything is set to Rec. 709 SDR, you can go ahead and export your video with confidence. This simple check can save you from a lot of frustration later, especially if you've ever wondered why your final upload doesn't look the same as your timeline preview. Matching the color space in both the project and export settings is one of the easiest ways to get more accurate results in CapCut. So to recap quickly, deselect all clips, open the Details panel, click Modify next to color space, select Rec. 709 SDR, then go into Export settings and make sure the output color space is also Rec. 709 SDR. That's the correct workflow for keeping your colors consistent. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and drop a comment if you want more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.